Welcome back. Now we are proceeding in lecture number 12, a AKTU examination problem of 2003, in which we calculate the current through the galvanometer of this bridge circuit as shown here. So there is a circuit in which four resistors make a bridge which is connected by a 2 volt supply. So we solve this question by using nodal analysis. So first of all, we make nodes. This is, let us say, A point and its potential is VA. This is VB. This is VC. After making, and let us say this is a reference node, this is at zero potential. Now after making nodes, we make a distribution of current in the branch at every nodes. So let us say this is I1, this is I2, this is I3, let us say this is I4, and this is I5, and let us say I6 for this 2 ohm resistance. So in this way we can distribute current arbitrary at every nodes according to your convenience. So after considering current in every branch, we look here. There is a branch in which there is no resistance, means it is the type of supernode type 2. So it is supernode type 2 because we cannot consider any of these nodes is ground potential. So first of all, when we look this, it is a VB minus VC is equal to 2 volt from this I4 branch. I4 current here, VB minus VC is equal to 2 volt. Now apply supernode. So what is supernode? Make these two nodes and the respective current I1, I6, and here I2 and I5, and in which the resistance is not present, that is invisible. So this is node VB and this is node VC. So I1, I6 and I2 and I5. Now make these two nodes superimpose at each other. Let us say there is a two nodes. I make these two current here, I2 and I5. I2 is incoming and I5 is outgoing. And for VB we make inside. So this is I1 and this is I6. So I superimpose these two nodes here like this, and we make the equation here, summation of all incoming current is equal to summation of all outgoing current. So now apply KCL here. So all incoming current means I1, I2 and I6. I2 plus I6 is equal to outgoing I1 and I5. Now we write the equation for every current except this I4, because we cannot write this equation because I is equal to V upon R and there is no resistance available. So except I4, write all the currents equation. So for I1, it is high potential, it is low potential. I already explained how to write this equation. VB minus VA upon 1. VB minus VA upon this 1 ohm resistance. This is I1. For I2, VA minus VC upon 2. I3 is here, VA minus 0 upon 4. This current is evaluated in the question given. And I4 is here, we cannot write the equation. V upon R available नहीं है, right? So we get VC minus VB. So हम इसकी इक्वेशन नहीं लिख सकते. I5 VC minus 0 upon R3 and I6 here 0 minus VB upon this 2 ohm resistance. So in this way we can write every currents in respective nodes. Now put here in equation number 1, I2 is VA minus VC upon 2 plus I6 minus of VB upon 2 is equal to VB minus VA upon 1, here I1, and I5 here VC upon 3. To solve this equation, now we multiply here by 3 to make denominator equal. So it is like this, VA minus VC upon 2 multiply here by 3 and divide by 3 plus minus of VB upon 2 multiply by 3 divide by 3 is equal to VB minus VA upon 1 multiply by 6 and divide by 6 plus VC upon 3 multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So in this way denominator are equal. So 3 VA and 6 VA, taking this side 9 VA, similarly VB minus 3 and here plus 6, taking this side minus 9 VB and 3 and 2 5 minus K 5 VC is equal to 0. So this is equation number 2. Now apply KCL at point A. KCL at A. All incoming current is equal to all outgoing current, means I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. So here put the value of I1, I2, I3 here. I1 is VB minus VA upon 1 is equal to I2 VA minus VC upon 2 plus I3. I3 is VA upon 4. So after multiplying this equation to make denominator equal, here multiply by 4 and divide by 4. Here 2 VA minus VC multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Here VA upon 4. So here to solve this equation, this is 7 VA minus 4 VB minus 2 VC is equal to 0. So this is equation number 2. Equation number 3. Now solve equation number 2 and 3 and we get VA, VB, VC. You can solve this simultaneous equation by using calculator. So we get VA is equal to 0.09091, VB is equal to 0.77273 volt, and VC is equal to minus K 1.23 volt. So we find out current in this galvanometer, means I3 passing through this 4 ohm. So I3 is VA upon 4. So here put value of VA. So 0.09091 divide by 4. So it comes 0.0227275 ampere. So this is the answer, 0.0227275. So in this way, by using nodal analysis and by use of Kirchhoff current law, we solve this question and find out the I3 is 0.0227275. Thank you so much.